Next here tonight, one of our region's largest healthcare systems is in the early stages of negotiating a new contract with its employees. A 3-year labor agreement at Kaleida set to expire at the end of May. Tonight, 7 News senior reporter Maki Becker giving a voice to what workers want to see in this next contract.
Without more staff, I can't take care of my patients the way I would like to take care of them.
Short staffing means we are stretched thin.
Contract negotiations began Tuesday between Kaleida Health and the unions that represent nearly 8,000 healthcare workers. Union members said one of their top demands is to deal with constant staffing shortages at hospitals. Lisa Simmons, a patient registration representative at Oshai Children's Hospital, talked about how shortages impact her work.
With short staffing, the wait times are long. The patients do get irate. It's overwhelming. You go from room to room not knowing what you're going to get from each patient.
The unions tell me there are shortages in many areas, including technical, diagnostic, imaging, and service and maintenance. In a recent study by CWA, one of the unions found Western New York is short about 5,000 nurses. I spoke with Dr. Annette Wysocki, Dean of the School of Nursing at the University of Buffalo, about the critical role nurses play.
You know, of the care given in the hospital, the 86% of the face-to-face time with a patient is by a nurse. So it's the nurses who are there, who are monitoring the patient minute to minute, hour to hour.
I mean, how do hospitals hire more? Like, I know there's a shortage. I'm sure they'd love to hire more. What do they do? What can they do?
I mean, for our hospitals, I think partnering with schools of nursing to try to strengthen and grow those relationships. And I know for us, we have set up our dedicated education units with our Kaleida partners and ECMC here in Buffalo to help set up those dedicated education units.
The current contract with Kaleida expires at the end of May. We'll keep you updated on developments. Maki Becker, 7 News, Buffalo.